Hey, and welcome to this new tutorial. My name is Mr. Popo and we are Popo. In this course, we're going to be creating the Alien Isolation intro, and we're going to create it from scratch without any plugins and without any footage. I'm going to be taking you on how to create a real good workflow that you can apply to all your projects. Either it's personal, either it's daily, or either it's your full-time job. Once we tackle that, I'm going to show you how to create style frames so that we know what we're doing and we learn the technique of post-processing. Once we finish that, I'm going to take you into the logic behind the glitch techniques and how to be creative into creating your own glitch techniques and maybe make a tutorial. Once that's done, of course, we're not going to stop there, but we are going to learn how to create the details and add more refinement into your own footages that we created during this tutorial. And of course, just like any other tutorials, I'll be happy to share with you tips on how to take this further, but not only that, on how to even go after this tutorial and what you should do after this so that you can keep on improving and get way better. I'm really excited to share with you guys this tutorial, and I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Again, my name is Mr. Popo. Let's get rolling.